In the challenging frontal offset crash test, the Land Cruiser Prado provided good protection for most critical areas of the driver and front passenger, with the exception of the driver's lower leg and chest, where protection was rated adequate and marginal, respectively. For the two child dummies seated in the second row, protection was rated good, with the Prado scoring maximum points. The Prado is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, an active collision avoidance system that can detect other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. The system performed well in most test scenarios on the racetrack. Across the 4 key assessment areas, the Land Cruiser Prado scored 85% for adult occupant protection, 89% for child occupant protection, 84% for vulnerable road user protection, and 82% for safety features respectively.